So some information that will help you with dividing if you don't have a calculator, when you're doing factor pairs, etc., is being familiar with the divisibility tests. And we're going to look at tests for 2, 4, and 8 right now. They're fairly similar, so they're grouped together. So you should probably already be familiar with this one. If a number is divisible by 2, that means if it can be divided by 2, it's an even number. Okay, so that means the number has to end in 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So any number that is even is divisible by 2. Now the next one is quite interesting actually. If a number is divisible by 4, then the last 2 digits of the number are divisible by 4. So if we have the number 3,784, for instance, it is even, so we know it's divisible by 2. And we could use our short division. 2 goes into 17 8 times. That's 16 with 1 left over. 2 goes into 18 9 times. No remainders. Goes into 4 twice. So 1,892. Well, to see if this number is divisible by 4, we have to look at the last 2 numbers, last 2 digits, 84, and see if that's divisible by 4. And just right off the bat, I know it is because 8 is divisible by 4, and so is 4. Okay, so this is 21. I've just kind of done short division in my head to find the answer. And a number is divisible by 8 if the last 3 digits are divisible by 8. Okay, so here we're looking at 784. Can that be divided by 8? So again, we'll do our check. 8 times 9 is 72. So 6 remainder, and 8 into 64 goes 8 times, no remainder. So yes, this number, the last 3 digits, is divisible by 8, so the whole number must be divisible by 8. So we could do it with long division, and we would find that 3,784 is divisible by 8 with no remainders. Now, an interesting quick check that's worth noting is that if a question asks you, is it divisible by 2, 4, and 8, you could just skip right to 8, because if a number is divisible by 8, then it must be divisible by 2 and 4, because 2 and 4 are factors of 8. Okay?